Hey guys, my name is Anchal Veg and I'm here to give you a new moon energy update. So, this new moon is in the sign of Sagittarius, and Sagittarius is a very fiery energy and it's very bold, it's very courageous. So, all you need to do to receive your reading is choose from number 1 or this deck, or choose from number 2 or the yin yang symbol. So after you have made your choice, I'm going to begin the reading now. So for people who have chosen the number 1, let me see what messages are coming for you. Okay. So I am getting unleash your kindest self and step up and lead. Okay. So I do feel for people who have chosen this number, it is very much a possibility that you are an earth sign, or you have a lot of burden on your shoulders somewhere. Like, I feel you have this leader like personality, or there's a lot of responsibility surrounding you right now. And the first message is saying that first be kind to yourself. Like, I'm just getting this vibe that first ground yourself. If you have enough energy first for yourself, then I think that you would be able to lead others more properly. I also feel for some people that a lot of new opportunities in your career are coming your way soon. If you have been looking for a job change, if you have been looking for a promotion, if you have been just looking to upgrade yourself, then this is the right time to go forward. It's a time to start new projects, it's a time to start new things in your life, explore different opportunities, different roles. For some people, since they pick the pen, I am also getting this energy that maybe you need to start journaling, or you need to start teaching. Like, I feel that the pen is all about writing down your thoughts. It's all about guiding yourself, guiding others. I feel that the pen plays a very important role, maybe in your life, maybe it's significant. So I hope that you could relate to these messages, and I'll be moving on to number 2 or the yin yang symbol now. So let me see what messages are coming. Okay, so over here I feel like I'm getting work through your feelings and forgive. Okay, so I'm just getting a lot of raw emotions over here. Maybe you have recently come out of something, and I just feel that the universe is asking you to forgive either somebody specific, or first forgive yourself. I feel that you have been hurt, or there's a lot of hurt around you right now. There's a lot of heaviness, there's a lot of anxiety, there's a lot of mixed emotions about something in your life. And I just feel that take some time off. Like, I feel that be gentle with how you approach this situation. Talk to somebody if you feel like that. Like, if you want some professional guidance, some professional help, definitely reach out to someone to guide you in a proper manner. You do not have to do everything by yourself. I also feel like spending time around water will help you, or just including more water in your diet, or just having more liquids somewhere, I think is going to help you align. You take a lot of energy from the moon, or you are required to take a lot of energy from the moon, which means that your divine feminine energy needs to be aligned. Like, you need to acknowledge that yes, things did not go a certain way that you planned, but that does not mean good things are not coming for you. I feel that right now, just stay still with your emotions. That's the best message that I can give to you right now. Stay still instead of trying to feel happy or sad, or trying to push yourself in one direction. And since you picked the yin yang symbol, I also feel that a lot of alignment and balance is definitely coming your way. You can maybe keep this symbol around you for balance. And I also feel if you are worried about money, or finances have been difficult, then a lot of abundance is coming your way. I just feel that a lot of alignment is coming. Maybe this is why this you had to go through this ending, or maybe you had to go through something difficult, so that you can finally align in your highest energy. So I hope that you could relate to this reading. Thank you so much for watching.